You're trying to change your dropdown color, and when it changes text, it's very simple to do this in a dropdown. But let's say we have something outside of the dropdown that we want to gray out that entire row or that cell, or we want to do something other than change the color that it's set to. So let's first set a color in our dropdown menu, which we'll go here to our dropdown menu, edit button. And let's say we want completed here, in progress is yellow, not started is red. And we're going to click done, and that's going to apply to all of them. So now they're colored, right? But when I click done here, or maybe disregard, or some other thing outside of these statuses, I want it to affect this. It still has the color, right? So let's do some app script to both get rid of this data validation, keep the value, but also gray out or do something else here. So let's go up to extensions app script. Once there, we can write this function spreadsheet app.getActiveSheet.getRange, and we're just going to test it on 2, 2, and it's .clear data validations. So let's run this and see what it does. It's going to do this to the active sheet, the B2, and there it goes. So that clear data validations allows us to get rid of the data validation that's that color, but still leave the value. Okay, so let's do some other stuff here. We want a function on edit and put an E here. That's the event. That means we're going to get some interesting information like the row we're on from this e.range.getRow. We know what column we're on equals e.range.getColumn. And if the row that we're on is greater than 1, double ampersand for and, the column we're on is equal to 3, that means this checkbox here, we're going to do something. We're going to do, well, we need to also say the value. We need to know what the value is. Value equals e.value. And if that's true, meaning checked, then we want to use this, which is spreadsheet app.getActiveSheet.getRange. The row we're on, we need that not capitalized row, and the clear data validations, not clear content, data validations. There we go. So now, if we're editing here, it's going to just take away the row and the column we're on. Actually, the column needs to be column -1. Almost forgot that. Let's save that and check if that is going to be true. I think we need to change this to true, not the text true. Oh, it needs to be all caps true. That's what it is. There we go. So now it's clearing that data validation. Let's do one more thing, which is gray out this entire row. So once we get rid of that data validation, we're going to also do spreadsheet app.getActiveSheet.getRange. We're going to be on the row that we are already on. We're going to start in column 1, and the number of rows is only going to be 1, but the number of columns is going to be this active sheet get max columns. There we go, spreadsheet app.getActiveSheet.getMax columns, and we're going to go the full length of the columns. Set background, and the background we're going to set is DDD 6Ds, I think. Let's save that and see what we got. So we're going to take away all those, and let's try this one. I think we need 6Ds there. I think we had 7. Let's try again. There is our graying. We can also change the text if we want the text color to be changed, but for right now we just want it all gray to say we're done, or disregard, or allow, or we can change this to even bright green if it's like an approval process. It's like maybe these are the statuses until we get approved. And there you go. You can change the drop-down chip color and even gray it out when you're doing something else other than just that drop-down menu. You can see all of the script here. And I'll provide the script in a sheet down below you can get absolutely for free. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.